Oh my god. Holy crap, dude.
Oh my god, babe, that's a huge... Oh my god, you guys, we should really... Oh my god.
Window and it's flooded in my car. There's really waves on the road, like it's like a lake. And everybody trying to flood their car.